Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Let's start on it now. So the ABS brake module fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. What you guys need to do, go ahead and open the hood. Under the hood on the driver's side, next to your car battery, you have that box, okay, right here, that's the cover. You have two notches, press them in, leave that cover. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here for the ABS control module, ABS brake module, we need to check up to 2 different fuses. If you have ABS light or brake light on, we have a special video that explains why that happens. Check it out, it will be on our channel. Here, guys, okay, now we need to come in that row of fuses here where we have the JK fuses, and we need to check, guys, fuse number 6. It's that fuse right here, very important fuse. Then after that we need to come in a different place, and we need to check fuse number 26 right here. Okay, 26, that's 78, 77, that's 76. So 76, 26 and 6. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you, guys, for watching and see you next time.